Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly and players will be with us any time now. I'm Peter Drury and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Begley.
Thanks for that, Peter. Hi everyone. The excitement has really picked up now and I'm eager for the action to start.
So Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Well, I'm going to go for a man who probably defines the anchor midfield role, Sergio Busquets. Responsible for maintaining the balance when either fullback moves forward, he can drop in at centre-back occasionally, and he gets him on the front foot with his crisp passing.
Yeah, I'd have picked him too. No doubt the fans feel much the same way. Well, he would surely have scored there more times than not. Barcelona looking really energetic early on. It is a high press. Where to from here? Goes wide, out towards the flank. It's a brilliant interception. A good deal hanging on what they can achieve here. A point will do. Ball. Who's going to get there? It is deadlocked. Iniesta. Jordi Alba. Oh, he's come flying in. Now the pass. Goal! Barcelona! What about that, Jim Beglin?
Look, you can only exploit the space if the pass is good enough, and in that instance, it was instinctive and quick, and it did the damage.
Barcelona give themselves the perfect start. Can they build on it?
For me, that just shows their determination to qualify here. There's been a real conviction about them. I've liked that.
So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Tries a through ball. Oh, that's a waste. Jordi Alba. Very nearly half an hour gone here. PK. Rakitic. PK. Rakitic. Sergio Busquets. Rakitic. Aim forward. Luis Suarez passes it through. Messi. Lovely bit of skill. Chance! It's a loose ball. Too long to get the shot away.
Yeah, he just took too long to make his mind up. I mean, what a big opportunity missed then.
Cuts it out. Barcelona are leading with half-time drawing close. Free kick's been given. Rakitic. Luis Suarez. And it's half-time here. It's the first half compared with your expectation.
Well, the advantage might be a slender one, but all the evidence points to a much more successful second half. They've got so much power compared to this opposition, and it's just a case of finding that extra gear, and I think they'll power on through.
Barcelona leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. So just 45 minutes to decide the fate of this group. Barcelona carry a 1-goal lead into the second half. Sergio Busquets, Jordi Alba, Piqué, Iniesta, Luis Suarez. And it's Luis Suarez. Looks like a good ball through. Neymar gets it, and now what? Oh, extraordinary.
Well, he was in such a great position in front of goal, and you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
Barcelona are ahead here by what is still the only goal. Arda Turan. Luis Suarez. Arda Turan hurtles into the tackle. Of lacking inventiveness here, it's all broken down. Neymar. Crunching tackle. Spoon forward, and this is Neymar. Goalkeeper's ball. Fine defending there. Oh, he's broken through. Pulled him up for that challenge. Mascherano does well there, alert. Jordi Alba doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Now it's Neymar. He's thrust his way through. Neymar with a shot! What about it? And that should do it! Within sight of the finish line.
I think he just thought about trying his luck from further out there, but why bother when you can worm your way through a defence like that? It's terrific play to get through and score.
Barcelona take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in. Barcelona are once more the kings of the late goal. They do it so often. Another piece of really good defending. Neymar looks to slip it through. Luis Suarez.
Well, I think it was a little difficult for him to pick exactly the right option there. There were so many in the box. I don't think we should be totally surprised that he actually went for the shot in the end.
Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez! That would have been some goal.
Well, he certainly needs no invitation to run in on goal like that. Great strong run, but just wasn't able to apply the finish.
It's Neymar! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
But when he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
Oh, that's great stuff. Exactly what he's all about.
He's just a nightmare for any defence. His movement, his pace, his anticipation, it's on another level.
They are rampant! And the lead is 3! It is surely done!
Wonderful stuff, and it was all about quick thinking and even quicker feet, but you have to ask questions as to how he got through.
Barcelona take a 3-goal lead, and they are romping out of sight. Has a swing at it! Strong punch, shapes the shoots. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Barcelona have made it through to the knockout stage. They can anticipate the draw and the challenge that lies ahead. Thoughts on what we've just seen?
Early qualification is always a good bonus. They've shown resilience and strength, and have all the essentials to go on a lengthy cup run. It's all looking pretty good for them.